Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show Google widget on the desktop on Samsung Galaxy A25. Alright guys, so to make it easier for us if we want to search something from our cell phone without bothering to open the Google application, we can bring up a search engine widget on the cell phone desktop. Okay, how to do that is quite easy. Okay, first thing first is you can long press on the desktop until the menu is appear like this, and then you can go to widget. So yeah, now here you can choose Google. Yeah, this is, and then now you can choose for search engine guys. And then now you can long press and navigate to the position you want like this. Alright guys, so the Google widget can already to be used. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to show Google widget on the desktop on Samsung Galaxy A25. And then thank you so much for watching.